So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here on the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document once that is done. If I were just to go ahead here and just type in text, so this text has no shadow. As you can tell, there actually is no shadow applied to this text, but if you were to simply highlight the text right here to add some shadow, go to the right hand side of your screen, go down to this little gear icon right here beside, or right below, I should probably say where the font size is, press on the little drop down right here. And at the bottom where it says shadow, I want you to go ahead and press on the check right here. Now, as you can tell, if I were to exit out of here, there is some shadow applied to this, but it's a little bit messy. It's not the cleanest. So if you want to go ahead and edit the shadow that's being applied, just simply go down. You can increase, you can change the angle of the shadow right here. You can change the blur, make it more blurry or less blurry. You can change the offset as well. And you can also change the opacity as well as the colors. If you want to make the shadow perhaps maybe blue, go ahead and press on that. There you go. You've now added some shadow to your text here on a Pages document. So super simple, super straightforward. As I mentioned before, this is how to add a shadow to text here on the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.